Super cute little box. All right. We got some gloves. Okay, what else do we got? Let me see.
A kite?
No, it's like a little apron or something so you don't get dirty, I think. We'll look at it in a second. Let's see what else we got. That is your very own gardening stool. How cute is that?
So what else is in the box?
There's more? All right, go ahead, take the box out. What do we got in there? Put it down. All right, let's see what we got in this box.
Okay, put the little garden stool up.
Yep, give me 1 second. Here, let me help you.
What? Garden stool.
Watch your fingers.
I like it.
I'll put that together. That is so cute.
Ooh, a little rake.
Yep.
Another shovel.
You see the little bears on the end? Look how cute those are. These are little metal tools. These are nice.
A little water thing.
Little watering can.
That.
How cute is that?
In the back.
These are nice.
Oh my God.
That's your little gardening bag so that you can hold all of your gardening tools in it.
Can we open
See,
them?
look. Yeah, you can take them out.
What should I do with them?
Let me see the plastic.
Can I go find a place?
Here,
Okay.
let's do right here. Let's do right here.
A shovel. Well, that was a whole bag of scooped up.
Those are nice little tools. Okay, let's check this out. Here, pull this out. I got it open, pull it out.
What is this? Little gardening mat?
Yeah, it's like a little scarf thing or a shirt thing so you don't get yourself dirty while you're gardening. That is so cute. And little gloves to keep your hands clean. Those are soft too. Those are nice little gloves.